Isipin mo kung nagsimula ka last year, nasan ka na ngayon? But guess what? Pwede pa rin namang simulan ang bago mong kwento. Imaginein mo, 1 year from now, you're working less hours, may extra income ka na, at mas present ka sa mga moments with your family. Bakit kasi nag-decide kang simulan ang business mo today? Hindi madali pero consistent effort at right support system, big transformation. Ako si Rosalie from Padua, Italy. Dental assistant po ang aking trabaho dito. But doing online business on my free time. Life can change drastically in 12 months from paycheck to paycheck to finally having savings. From stress sa trabaho to working from home at your own pace. From wala akong time to choosing how to you spend your time. Ang tanong, willing ka bang simulan ngayon para makitang result in 1 year? Change doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with a choice. Yung choice mo today can bless your future self. Ang isang simpleng yes sa opportunity na to, pwedeng magbigay ng financial freedom, time freedom, at peace of mind. Where do you see yourself 12 months from now? Still stuck in the same cycle? Or finally living the life you prayed for? Simula lang muna, one step at a time. Kaya yan, basta may willingness, may way si Lord. Be inspired lang po. God bless.